Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I bring a video on 10 signs of introverts. Before start, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified for the next videos. Start with, what are introverts? Introvert is a person who gain energy from being alone, or loses energy in social situations. Here are 10 of the most common signs you might be an introvert. 1. Prefer to be alone. You have no problem staying home. In fact, you look to your thing like reading, playing video games, drawing, cooking, writing around the house. You feel good when you're alone. 2. Avoid small talk. Introvert personality find it completely unnecessary, and a source of anxiety. Introverts like to listen and observe more. Let's make one thing clear, they don't hate small talk, just because they don't like people. They hate small talk because it increases the awkward distance between two people. 3. Don't socialize. People with an introvert personality might actually like going to parties, but not to meet new people. They are not rude, they just have a hard time initiating a conversation. 4. Easily distracted. Introverts are easily distracted or overwhelmed in a stimulating environment. Those with an introvert personality are known to be wanderers, as their minds are always trying to make sense of everything happening. 5. Extrovert friends. Opposites definitely attract. An introvert personality is generally attracted to someone more outgoing, confident and possessing a strong personality, who encourage you to go out and have fun. 6. Hate answering calls. No, they are not ignoring or hate you. I'm sure someone with an introvert personality will completely agree with me on this one. It's not that they hate the idea of conversing on phone, but they get annoyed. 7. Unique and creative. Introverts are highly creative individuals and great thinkers. Majority of introverts are great philosophers, thinkers, artists or writers, because they're better at writing thoughts than speaking them. 8. No desire of attention. You'd prefer one-on-one conversation than talk in front of people. You'll risk overstimulation when you think speaking up will truly make a difference. 9. Keen observer. Introverts are natural observers. When discussing serious matters, they tend to look more into details than the facts, and notice details that others might miss. 10. Live in your head. Introvert might daydream so much that people tell to come back down to earth. That's because your inner world is almost as alive and vivid as the outer one. Now, do you think you know an introvert? Ha! Well, think again and tell these qualities to them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, hit a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.